By application of light. These are the three ways where electron can be made to eject from a metallic surface. So I repeat these three methods. So first one is the thermionic emission, where we apply heat. The second one is field emission, where suitably high electric field are employed to make electron eject out from the surface. Then the third category is the secondary emission, where through the process of collision we impart kinetic energy to the free electrons, which subsequently ejects out from the surface. Now there are other things that we have to understand before we move into details. The very first term we have to understand is the intensity of radiation. Now this is the term which we are going to use very frequently in connection with photoelectric effect. Now let's understand the definition and the certain relations in connection with intensity. Now intensity of radiation is simply defined as energy flowing per second per unit area normally. I repeat, intensity at any point is defined as energy flowing per second per unit area normally. Now here I stress the word normally. Now let's understand two specific cases. The first case deals with point sources. Let's say the source of radiation is point 1. Now we can imagine we have a bulb of 40 watt. Now when I say the power of bulb is 40 watt, it means the bulb is emitting 40 joule of energy per second. Now this bulb can be approximated as a point source. Now we are interested what will be the expression for intensity at a distance r away from the bulb. Now to make the calculation, now we can state very easily that the entire energy emitted per second, that is 40 joule, is spreaded over a sphere of radius r. Now all this energy incidents on the surface of a sphere normally. Now if we imagine the unit area around the point P where we are interested to calculate intensity, so I can write the expression for intensity as intensity I is equal to P. P stands for the power of the source divided by the surface area of the sphere, where this entire energy, that is 40 joule, is falling normally. So intensity I will be equal to P over 4 pi r square. Now this is the expression for intensity at a point P, which is r distance away from the source, which is bulb, which has been treated as a point source in this case. Now we can say for a point source, intensity is inversely proportional to square of distance. Now as distance increases, intensity falls rapidly. The graphical variation is also shown on the screen.